Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sumant. So I'm here to present you a small introduction about civil engineering. So first of all, we should know what is civil engineering. Let's start the video. First of all, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest and simple of the various engineering fields. It is mainly related to planning, analysis, design, construction and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, tunnels and other structures by the use of physical laws and mathematical equations and theory of mechanics. So in that there is a scope of different fields of civil engineering. It includes of 9 types. In that first one is surviving, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydrolysis and water resources, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, earthquake engineering, remote sensing and GIS. So shall we go? In that first one is surviving. The study of surveying enables the engineer to determine relative positions of points on the surface of Earth. Before the construction of any structure, surveying of the land on which the construction is to come up is always done. From the field, observation is surveying taken in the horizontal plane. A plane is prepared of the existing features of ground. Relative positions of point in the vertical plane are shown by sections obtained by taking measurements in vertical plane. Second one is structural engineering. Structural engineering deals with a wide variety of structural systems like building, bridges, dams, transportation system, water and sewage system, distribution facilities, power generation station, storage tanks, and many other facilities that must have adequate strength to resist safely many loads that act on it during its lifetime. So, structural engineering plays a vital role in planning, designing, and building the structure. Structural analysis and design are the main components of structural engineering. Geotechnical engineering. It is a branch of civil engineering and it is also called as soil mechanics. It is a discipline of civil engineering in which the study of soil, its behavior on the application of load and it uses as an engineering material in the construction of earth dams. The properties and strength characteristics of different types of soil are studied in this subject. So the knowledge of the subject is useful in the design of earth dams, different pile foundations, buildings, foundation, etc. Fluid mechanics and hydrolysis. It is a branch of science which deals with the study of fluids, that is, liquids and gases, at rest and in the motion. Usually, the liquid is water, and the subject is titled hydrolysis. When the water is at rest, the forces exerted by the water on immersed areas are found out by the laws of mechanics. Thus, the knowledge of these forces is useful in the design of the gates used to control the flood water in case of dams. Water resource engineering. Water is such a commodity that it is vital for the existence of mankind. Human beings, animals, and plants require water for their survival. Surface water is easy and economical to harness. However, its availability cannot be relied upon continuously since it varies with the season. So, water resource engineering can be defined as a science which deals with the subject of tapping water either from the surface or subsurface sources. A water resources is such a vast subject that it includes in itself hydrology, irrigation, hydrolysis, and water supply. And the next one is transportation engineering. This subject deals with the transport of men and materials through different communication routes such as land, water, and air. The railways and roads are the important modes of communication by land. The water transport is feasible only where the rivers, canals are navigable or where the sea coast is available. Transportation by air routes is also increased day by day. So the transportation of men and goods for short distance can be speedily done by road transport. So whereas railway transport is considered safe and convenient for long distance. And the next one is environmental engineering. It plays an important role in civil engineering, which covers both water supply as well as sanitary engineering. The importance of clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in population and the growth in urbanization and industries. So environment is polluted through the medium of air, water, or such other agents. Construction technology. It is a major activity of civil engineering which is continuously improving. As the cost of land is going up, there is a demand for tall structures in urban areas, while the rural areas need is for low cost construction. One has to develop technology using locally available materials. In India, central building research and other educational institutions have contributed for such initiatives. And the next topic is basic materials of construction. So it includes a few types in that brick, cement, mortar, plain reinforced and pre-stressed concrete, structural steel, construction chemicals. So let's see one by one. In the first one is brick. Brick is a small rectangular block typically made of fired or sun-dried clay used in construction. You may see here. So brick, there is a classification of bricks. In that there are four types: first class bricks, second class bricks, third class brick, overburnt or broken brick pieces. Following are the uses of bricks. The first class and second class bricks are used for permanent structure such as buildings, dams, roads, bridge, piers, etc. The first class bricks are also used for architectural effects on structures. The second class bricks are used in construction, but the surface should be plastered evenly because of the irregular size and shape of bricks. The third class or sun-dried bricks are used only for temporary structures. Broken bricks are used to aggregate for foundation, concrete, and road metal works. Second one is cement. Cement is a finely pulverized material, dark green color, having adhesive property. When mixed with water and used as an ingredient to prepare cement, mortar, and concrete. And the following uses of cement are it is the most significant use of cement is production of concrete and mortar. Cement mortar can be used for masonry work and plastering. It is used in concrete for laying floors, roofs, and construction, lintels, beams, stairs, pillars, columns, etc. It can be used for preparation of foundation, water tight floors, footpaths, etc. It can be used for manufacturing precast pipers, garden seeds, fencing posts, etc. Cement mortars. It is a construction of material composed of cement and fine aggregates mixed with water. It has a binding property and hardness with time. And the following uses of cement are cement mortar can be used for masonry work and plastering. And the next one is aggregate. Aggregate is a granule material such as sand, gravel, and crushed stone. And the following uses of aggregates are it increases the volume of concrete, thus reduces the cost. Aggregate are used to provide a rigid structure. Aggregates are used to provide a rigid structures. Aggregates are used in many structures and substructures. Example: different elements of building, bridges, foundation, etc. And the next one is plain concrete. In that concrete is a construction material composed of cement, fine aggregates, and coarse aggregates mixed with water, which hardens with time. In the plain concrete, the uses of concrete are construction of residential buildings, construction of roads, expressways and runways, construction of marine construction, construction of culverts and sewers, construction of water tanks, construction of foundation. Steel. Steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Due to its high strength, it is often used to build the framework of skyscrapers. And RCC means reinforced cement concrete. Reinforced cement concrete is a composite building material consisting of concrete reinforced with steel. And the uses of these concrete are it is used for construction of roofs, slabs, columns, beams and footings in residential and commercial structures. Reinforced concrete is used for construction of bridges uh, of small, medium and long spans, resulting in aesthetically superior and economical structures in comparison with steel bridges. Reinforced concrete is used in the construction of roads that is designed to carry heavy traffic loads. Reinforced concrete is used in the construction of almost all types of foundation of structures. Pipes and conduits have been constructed from reinforced concrete. And the next one is PSC, means pre-stressed concrete. So it is also used as structural material that allows for predetermined engineering stresses to be placed in the members to counteract the stresses that occur when they are subject to loading. And the uses of these concrete is it is used in the construction of superstructure of bridges, and it is used in construction of runways, and it is used in the construction of water tanks, and it is used in the construction of tall columns and retaining walls, etc. And the last topic is construction chemicals. It includes of some few points in that concrete admixtures, concrete curing compound, polymer bonding agents, protective and decorative agents, water repellents, adhesive, sealants and caulks, epoxy grouts. So